Hey everyone, myself Mona Devan for Tubby Craft. Today I'm here with you to share some inspiration using tag pattern stamp set by Tubby Craft. I'm placing one of the tag stamp on the acrylic block and stamping it on the white cardstock using Tubby Craft Jet Black ink. Further, you can see that I quickly stamped all the tag designs using various shades of Tubby Craft inks. Are not these tag patterns so beautiful? Further, I took the stamp set by Tubby Craft surprise box and colored it. Later, I took fussy cutting scissors and fussy cut the complete image. I also took few more stamps by Tubby Craft and all the tag patterns, and finally I'll be cutting them using my fussy cutting scissors. Once all the fussy cutting is done, I'll be taking out leftover papers from my stash and I'll be punching them using the fishtail punch. Once all the fussy cutting and punching is done, I'll be taking out my 50 U clips and making small tags or bookmarks out of these. I always enjoy making these cute little tags out of these clips. We just have to open the clip on the longer side and score the tag at 1/4 inch and apply tacky tape to close it. Further, I took one of the tag pattern and stamped a sentiment on it and adhered it on the clip tag using a foam tape. Isn't this tag so quick and easy to make? I further made few more tags the same way using tag pattern stamp set and these U clips. I'll see which tag pattern coordinates with this tag and whatever I think is going well with it, I'll apply that. I think this one is looking great, so I'll be stamping the sentiment on this tag and adhering this tag on the clip using double-sided foam tape. Further, you can see that I quickly made few more tags using these U-clips. Further, I took another tag punch and quickly made tag out of this tag pattern stamp set. These DIY paper clips are made with simple supplies and are just the prettiest embellishment for scrapbooking, bookmarks, packaging, and so much more. They are total eye candy, so make yours. Now I'll be taking some pattern paper and making such tags using U-clips. I'll be distressing its edges using black ink on all the four sides. Now I'll be adding some fussy cutting images and some twine using double-sided foam tape. I hope I'm able to give you some creative inspiration. Bye bye.